Algebraic reasoning. Calculating the value of a variable by applying inverse operations until the variable is isolated. 3x equals 12. The equation states that 3 times an unknown number equals 12. I must determine the value of 12 by isolating 12. In order to do so, I'll apply inverse operations. Since I see that 3 is a coefficient and a multiplier, I divide both sides of my equation by 3. 3x divided by 3 is 1x, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. Since 1 times any number will give me the same number, I don't need my coefficient of 1, and I'll write my solution as x equals 4. I'll then check my solution by substituting x with 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. Again, notice how I've substituted x with my solution of 4. 3 times 4 is 12, and 12 equals 12 is a true statement. Therefore, I know that my solution is correct. I'll put a box around my solution x equals 4 to indicate that this is my final answer. Five y equals 20. My equation states that 5 times an unknown number equals 20. I have a coefficient of 5, which is a multiplier, so I'll perform the inverse of multiplication, which is division. I'll divide both sides of my equation by 5. 5y divided by 5 is 1y. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Since 1 times any number will give you the same number, I do not need my coefficient of 1 in front of y, and I'll write my solution as y equals 4. I'll then check my solution by substituting my variable y with 4. 5 times 4 equals 20. Since 5 times 4 equals 20 and 20 equals 20, that is a true statement. Therefore, I know that my solution is correct, and I'll put a box around my solution y equals 4 to indicate that this is my final answer.